Here's how to connect social accounts in the Flamel platform. First, make sure you're in the correct workspace. Then head over to social accounts, and you will see each of the platforms. Start with the first platform. And then if you've connected in the past, you'll see this screen. You can also edit previous settings. This will walk you through everything. What you want to do is opt into all pages. You could either use opt into all current and future pages, or you could just select the few that you're going to be connecting to different Flamel workspaces. From here, you can do the same on businesses. You can go down the list, or you can only select the individual ones that you want to connect to Flamel. And same with Instagram accounts. Now you'll see all the accounts that were connected to the Flamel system, and you can come in, you can remove specific accounts if you don't want them, and you can select the accounts that you want active. You can do the same for X and LinkedIn, and that is how you connect social accounts in Flamel.